Human body temperature is maintained by A. Hypothalamus, B. Pituitary, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Cerebral cortex. The association areas are responsible for A. Intersensory association, B. Communication, C. Memory, D. All of these. Which of the following cells are associated with identification of colors in bright light? A. Cone cells, B. Rod cells, C. Lacrimal cells, D. Cells of Muller. All sensory information to be registered consciously by the forebrain must pass via the A. Thalamus, B. Reticular activating system, C. Cerebellum, D. Pons. The size of pupil is controlled by the A. Ciliary muscles, B. Suspensory ligaments, C. Cornea, D. Iris muscles. Which part of the human brain controls the urge for eating and drinking? A. Forebrain, B. Hindbrain, C. Midbrain, D. Spinal cord. Sense of smell is perceived by A. Occipital lobe, B. Temporal lobe, C. Olfactory lobe, D. Parietal lobe. Anterior choroid plexus is present on the A. Floor of diencephalon, B. Cerebral hemispheres, C. Roof of diencephalon, D. Roof of medulla oblongata. Which function will be lost if occipital lobe is damaged? A. Hearing, B. Speech, C. Vision, D. Memory. Which of the following is a part of our brain? A. Corpora elata, B. Corpora adiposa, C. Corpora cardiaca, D. Corpora quadrigemina. The optic lobes in humans are represented by A. Corpora bigemina, B. Corpora erinaceae, C. pharynx area, D. Corpora quadrigemina. Pons connects the A. Two cerebral hemispheres, B. Two lobes of cerebellum, C. Cerebellum and cerebellum, D. Spinal cord with the brain. Cerebellum of brain is concerned with A. Controlling rapid muscular activities, B. Learning in early stages, C. Maintaining posture, orientation and equilibrium of body, D. All of these. Tree of life is A. Branchial tree, B. Lymphatic system, C. Arbor vitae, D. Loop of Henle. Which of the following statements is correct regarding cerebellum? A. It is a part of hindbrain, B. It consists of two cerebral hemispheres and a vermis, C. Arbor vitae is present in cerebellum, D. All of these. The part of human hindbrain that is responsible for hand-eye coordination is A. Cerebellum, B. Pons varolii, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Thalamus. The respiratory and cardiac centers are located in A. Cerebrum, B. Cerura cerebri, C. Diencephalon, D. Medulla oblongata. Salivation in mammals is under the control of A. Hypothalamus, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Mesencephalon, D. Cerebellum. Which labeled part controls the process of breathing? A, B, C, D. Which of the following parts of brain constitute the brain stem? A. Midbrain and hindbrain, B. Hindbrain and forebrain, C. Forebrain and midbrain, D. Forebrain only. Which of the following has H-shaped gray matter? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Spinal cord. Cell bodies of neurons bringing efferent information into the spinal cord are located in A. Dorsal root ganglia, B. Ventral root ganglia, C. Gray matter of the spinal cord, D. White matter of the spinal cord. Cornea is covered externally by a thin transparent membrane which is called A. Sclerotic, B. Choroid, C. Conjunctiva, D. None of these. The innermost layer of the human eye is A. Choroid, B. Sclera, C. Cornea, D. Retina. The black pigment in the eye, which reduces the internal reflection, is located in A. Retina, B. Iris, C. Sclerotic, D. Cornea.